English Russian listening practice from beginners from YouTube channel English Английский с Натальей Алексеевной. If you have a birthday today, I wish you to love and to be loved till your rest days. And now let's start working.
Happy birthday!
Прослушайте английские предложения.
I drink coffee, but I don't drink tea.
Sue drinks tea, but she doesn't drink coffee. You don't work very hard.
We don't watch television very often.
The weather is usually nice. It doesn't rain very often. Jerry and Linda don't know many people.
Повторяйте предложение. Выбирайте скорость, которая вам подходит.
I drink coffee, but I don't drink tea.
I drink coffee, but I don't drink tea.
Sue drinks tea, but she doesn't drink coffee.
Sue drinks tea, but she doesn't drink coffee.
You don't work very hard.
You don't work very hard.
We don't watch television very often.
We don't watch television very often.
The weather is usually nice.
The weather is usually nice.
It doesn't rain.
It doesn't rain.
Jerry know many people.
They don't know many people. Перевод предложений на русский язык.
Murder on call with the 5-9. 20 years and it seemed like a lifetime. I've been hanging every day from a lifeline. Why these fuckers tell her dinner every night?
I drink coffee, but I don't drink tea.
Я пью кофе, но я не пью чай.
Sue drinks tea, but she doesn't drink coffee.
Сью пьет чай, но она не пьет кофе.
You don't work very hard.
Ты не работаешь сильно.
We don't watch television very often.
Мы не смотрим телевизор очень часто.
The weather is usually nice. It doesn't rain.
Погода обычно хорошая.
Very often.
It doesn't rain very often. Дожди идут нечасто.
Jerry don't know many people.
Джерри и Линда не знают многих людей. Спасибо за внимание.